Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be installing these Toceana Wavy Locs from Toyotress. Toyotress has some of the best crochet hair that I've tried. I really enjoy these locks that I've gotten from them, and in the past crochet hair that I've gotten from them as well. So if you guys are not familiar with Toyotress, make sure you check them out. You can find their direct link in my description bar below. So I am using, they sent over 8 packs and each pack has 12 pieces in it. You can see how my hair is based. A shout out to my mother for braiding my hair because, you know, I'm not a braider, y'all. I am not a braider. So I'm just going to show you my process of how I install these locks. They also provide you with the tool to be able to install your crochet locks. And I'm just going to take it in slow-mo this time. Usually I have my videos in fast forward, but I do feel like some of these crochet looks are a little bit repetitive in forms of how you put them in. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do each piece, and then I'll show you the different looks towards the end of the video. So I usually go in a downward motion with the crochet tool. I push it through and then I hook the crochet lock onto that hook piece, and then it'll close when you pull it back up. And then you just basically do it like a loop, like you're tying a shoe. You just stick the end of that crochet lock piece into the hole and then just pull it tight so that it's nice and secure, and then you can move on to the next piece. So I feel like this braiding pattern that I have in my head is the easiest way if you're someone who wants a quick installation process, or you want it to just look natural but not having to do the extra work of having this individual plait piece of each part of your hair. It still gives scalp. It looks just very natural, but it's a very beginner friendly way and a quicker way as well, very more time efficient. So this is definitely a go-to base for me whenever I want to have some individual locks or twists or braids in my hair. And if you guys haven't seen my previous video using the Toyotress hair as well, make sure you check out those videos. The links will be in my description bar as well, or you can search on my YouTube channel by just typing in Toyotress, and all the videos that I have with their hair will come up. So here I'm just showing you guys what the finished process looks like. So you can see that you still see scalp in between, and you can definitely style the hair however you would like. It's a very easy, quick, simple process, and that's pretty much it. You can also go with less in the front if you want by doing less braids. I had more of a braid pattern in the front this time, but you can make it slimmed out some if you would like. This is what the ends of the hair looks like. So you have more blonde towards the end, and then you have the darker shade up at the top. So it's giving you a little bit of color play as well, so you can have a little bit of fun with your wave locks. So the first look I'm going to show you guys is just pulled up, half down look. One of my go-tos always whenever I have individual locks. This is what it looks like up close. I did not do my edges today because I just wanted to leave it natural, but you can also swoop your edges out in the front. Then I took a little bit of 2 pieces in the front to kind of make it a little bit more playful. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like up in a ponytail, just a quick throw up ponytail, something very easy and simple to do. And then I'm also going to show you guys a quick little top knot look. I love having a bun on the top of my head. I feel like that's another go-to that I really enjoy doing with any individual crochet locks that I have or crochet hair. Top bun is always a must. And then I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like pulled off to the side. But yeah, you guys, that basically ends today's video. Let me know what you guys think of this hair. Shout out to Toyotress again. Make sure you check out that description bar for any links that you are needing. And that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.